So I have here triangle ABC with sides A, B, and C. So again, meron po tayo dito ng triangle ABC na merong sides A, B, and C. Now, I want you to complete the table. I want you to give me any pair of two sides of the given triangle. So we have A and B. Okay, so we will consider C as its third side. So, kung ito yung pair of two sides mo ng triangle, ibig sabihin, ito yung third side niya. Okay, so let's have again another pair. So, we have A and C. So, if A and C, therefore, this is the third side. We have B. If we have B and C, so kung ito yung pair of two sides natin, therefore, A is your third side. Now, given this pair of two sides and its third side, so tatandaan na kung ito yung pair of two sides mo, then the other side will be your third side. Kung ito yung pair ng two sides mo, A and C, therefore B is your third side, ganun din po sa A. Now, let us give the measures of the given sides of the triangle. So, ano po ang measure niyan? So, let's say the measure of side A is 6, your B is 9, and your C is 11. So, i-identify natin ang mga measures ng ating mga sides. So, for A, we have 6. For B, we have 9. And for C, we have 11. Next, for A again, we have 6. For C, we have 11. And for B, we have 9. For B, we have 9. For C, we have 11. And for A, we have 6. Now, given this pair of two sides of the triangle and its third side, now, kung itatry natin, if we will try to get the sum of the two sides of the triangle, so kung kukunin po natin yung sum ng two sides ng triangle natin, so let us give the sum. So, 6 plus 9, that is 15. And then, the third side is 11. Let us find the sum of 6 plus 11, that is 17. And the third side is 9. And then we have 9 plus 11, that is 20. And our third side for B and C is 6. Now, what have you noticed? All the given sum of any two sides of the triangle are always greater than the third side. Okay, so kung mapapansin ninyo, lahat ng sum ng ating two sides ng triangle ay palagi po, it's always greater than the measure of its third side. So therefore, we can say that the sum of your A and B, pag inad natin siya, and then we will compare it to its third side, and then the sum of A plus C, and then i-compare natin siya sa kanyang third side, and then the sum of B plus C at i-compare natin siya sa kanyang third side, kung mapapansin natin, that is always greater than the third side. Okay? So, we can conclude that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of its third side or of the third side. Okay? And that is all about the triangle inequality theorem. So, tatandaan na for every pair of two sides of a triangle, that is always greater than the third side. So, for every sum of the two sides of the triangle, that is always greater than the third side. So, that is all about the triangle inequality theorem. Let's have an example. Which of the following could be the lengths of the sides of a triangle? So, I have here set A, set B, and set C. So, given this pair of, given this set of sides, of the lengths of the sides of a triangle, so, identify natin alin dito yung possible side ng triangle. So, based po sa ating triangle inequality theorem, na dapat pag inad natin yung two side, it is always greater than the length of the third side. So, let us try. So, i-try natin siya kay set A. So, we have, i-list natin lahat ng pair of two sides. So, we have 7, 4. Ibig sabihin ng third side niya is 5. we have 4, 5. Ang third side niya is 7. And then we have 7 and 5. So, ang third side niya is 4. Now, so dapat, etong sum ng any two sides natin, that is always greater than the third side. So, i-check natin. Kung lahat ito ay true, ibig sabihin, this can be the lengths of the sides of a triangle. So, we have, this is 11. 11 is greater than 5, that is true. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is greater than 7. This is also true. 7 plus 5 is 12. And 12 is greater than 4. So, this is also true. So, therefore, since all the given sum of two sides of the triangle are greater than the length of its third side, therefore, the measure of the lengths of these sides are true to form a triangle. So, true po siya. Pwede siya makabuo ng triangle. Next, let's have the second one, the set B. So, i-list muna natin lahat ng any two sides ng triangle. So, we have 9, 11, and then ang third side niya is 2. We have 11 and 2, ang third side niya is 11. And then 9 and 2, ang third side niya is 11. So, dapat ang sum ng any two sides is always greater than the third side. So, i-add natin to 9 plus 11, this is 20, which is greater than 2, that is true. 11 plus 2 is 13, which is greater than 9, and this is true. 9 plus 2 is 11, which is greater than 11, is this true? No, this is false, because 11 is equal to 11. So, since we have here one false na result, ibig sabihin, etong length ng triangle ng side ng triangle is not possible. Hindi siya makakabuo po ng triangle. Okay? So, eto pong given na measures ng lengths ng side ng triangle, hindi po ito makaka-form ng triangle. Why? Kasi meron po ditong nag-false. Okay? So, dapat po yan lahat true. So, let's have letter C. So, we have 12 plus 10, the third side is 12. 10 plus 12, the third side is 12. And then 12 plus 12, the third side is 10. So, dapat po lahat ito ay greater than. So, 12 plus 10 is 22 plus 12, greater than 12. This is true. 10 plus 12, this is 22, is greater than 12. This is also true. And 12 plus 12, this is 24, which is greater than 10. So, this is also true. So, therefore, these three lengths can form a triangle. So, ibig sabihin, itong tatlong length na to ay makaka-form ng triangle. So, only A and C can form a triangle. Let's have another. Two sides of a triangle measure 15 centimeters and 9 centimeters. Write an inequality that represents the range of values for the possible lengths of the third side. So, in this problem, ang pinapahanap sa atin is what are the possible values, okay, possible lengths of the third side. Kasi ang binigay lang po sa atin are two sides which we have 15 centimeters and 9 centimeters. So, ibig sabihin, kulang tayo ng isa. So, ano yung pwedeng length ng third side natin for us to form a triangle? So, hindi tatandaan yung triangle inequality theorem na dapat, pag inad natin yung any two sides ng triangle, dapat it is always greater than the third side. So, paano natin makukuha? So, we will be using this formula. Okay? So, kunin mo yung difference nung given, and then ito yung unknown natin, and then kunin mo yung sum nung given. So, ano ba yung given natin? 15 and 9. So, that is 15 minus 9. And then your third side, ito yung unknown, yung hinahanap natin, that is x. And then the sum of the given, so we have 15 plus 9. So 15 minus 9, we have 6. This is x. 15 plus 9, that is 24. So anong ibig sabihin nitong inequality natin? Ibig sabihin, your x or the length of the third side is less than 24 but greater than 6. Okay? So, the value of the third side or the length of your third side must be less than 24 but greater than 6. So, ano po yung mga range nun? Kasi range ang hinahanap sa atin, range of values. So, ibig sabihin, mas mababa sa 24 pero mas mataas sa 6. So, ang mas mataas sa 6 is 7. And then, mas mababa sa 24 is 23. So, from 7 to 23, ang mga possible length ng ating third side. So, hindi pwede si 6, hindi pwede si 24. So, from 7 to 23, ang mga possible length po ng ating third side. Bakit hindi pwede si 6? Kasi po, kung ito yung third side niya at inad natin to, 9 plus 6, that is 15, which is equal to 15. Eh, diba? Based dun sa ating triangle inequality theorem, the sum of the two sides must be greater than the third side. So, kung equal siya, ibig sabihin, hindi po yan makaka-form ng triangle. That's why, the possible range of values for the length of your third side must be from 7 to 23 only.